welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up in Disney World. Now I know I've been talking about this a lot, but the reason I've been so excited to do this is because a lot of the stuff that I picked up is the 50-year anniversary merchandise that was released. I'm pretty sure, someone fact check me in case I am wrong, but at the beginning of October, all of this stuff was brand new out on the shelves, released to the public. So a lot of this is relatively new. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. Gonna try to make this as fun for you guys as it is going to be for me. We're gonna get right into it. Let's get to the fun stuff. Okay, here we go. You're in the way, kitty cat. Oh, that's totally not my notebook where I planned this video. Meow. Starting on this end, this was the band that I wore around at Disney World. Emma and I both wore the black sparkly one. I saw sparkles and I said, oh, that's so cute. And I figured black would be a good color for Halloween. This was a little tag card for luggage that my mom got me and I couldn't find it until after the trip. So a lot of good that did me. You okay over there? You doing all right? Do you need help? No? You're good? Great, just checking. Anyway, my mom got me this from Cinderella's Royal Table. They went out for brunch. I missed out on that, unfortunately, but she did bring me some souvenirs. I got a little star. And everyone, this is a wishing star. Make your wishes in 3, 2, 1, and we hope they come true. And moving on. So these I got in a couple different places. I saw this, I believe it was Tower of Terror. If I can pick this up. I absolutely loved it. Mulan is just such a badass. Oops. Mulan is just so BA. I really liked this picture that like just captures her intensity and all that. This is Madame Leota from Haunted Mansion. My favorite Disney villain ever, Maleficent. Also, fun fact, speaking of Sleeping Beauty, my favorite Disney princess is Aurora. I think she's very underrated. But anyway, getting back. Welcome back, Milo. This is Milo. Let me know if you know who this is or if you ever watched The Rescuers, which is such a good movie. The spooky old creepy lady. And I really liked that they had Disney art because you don't really see references to The Rescuers too much. And it's such a good movie. You like it too? I don't remember if you've ever watched it, Milo. Maybe we'll watch it later. That's like my spooky haul, I would say. The things that I got in honor of Halloween. You can make like a little trip memory board or scrapbook. Oh my gosh, I should totally do a scrapbook. Got lots of pictures, so... Featured here are my little Stitch and Scrump socks. Since I did a lot of Stitch related like outfits, if you know what Disney bound outfits are, well, I did a Disney bound Stitch outfit. I dressed up like Stitch for Boo Bash. Check out the video here. Since I got a lot of Stitch outfits and I wanted to have Stitch socks, obviously. It's just logic at that point. Okay, so one of the really cool things that I picked up is Star Wars enamel pin, and it's Han Solo and Leia. Now, I really like this, but my only complaint is that they didn't have the reverse one. I would have gotten both. So in Empire Strikes Back, it's this. She says, I love you. And he says, I know. And then he gets frozen or whatever. But in Return of the Jedi, it said the other way around. Battling to death against the stormtroopers, and they think it's the end. And she pulls out a blaster like, I got us, we're covered. And he said, I love you. And she said, I know. So I wish they had that reversal as well, but it's okay. Take what you can get. Wow, I just really nerded out hardcore in that moment. My apologies, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Speaking of Han Solo, this is a refrigerator magnet and it's the view. Thank you, Milo. You're bound and determined to be famous, aren't you? It's the view from the Millennium Falcon. It's kind of 3D. I don't know if you can tell, but do you mind? Milo's just jealous because he couldn't go to Disney. Keep moving forward. That's a Walt Disney quote if you didn't know it. For beauty is found within the truth of those words. And I didn't have a yellow hat as far as I knew, so I was like, you know what? That's the one. Add that one to the hat collection. We got a newcomer, which I should do an update video on how that's going because it's growing little by little. I keep getting distracted. This shirt, I got this after going on Splash Mountain, and it wasn't really that I needed a change of clothes per se. Cue picture right here because I got drenched. My cousin Aislinn insisted that we be in the very front, and she was not disappointed. I got washed out. It was absolutely awful, but no, that is not the reason I got this shirt. I saw this shirt and I said, that shirt's so cute, and then I realized that it was in the kids section. But I was not deterred. I just got an extra large kid size shirt, and it fits really good. Really well, really good, really well. It fits me. I love the color. Bright blue, turquoisey kind of color. It's just very comfy shirt. Anyway, now we're getting to the fun part where it's 50-year anniversary stuff. So this notebook is so pretty, super cute. I had to get it because I have an unhealthy obsession with buying notebooks. I definitely get good use out of them, so I'm sure it won't be wasted. I love how shimmery the pages are. It's such a pretty detail. I haven't unpackaged it yet. I don't want to open it yet and let it get dirty. But now that I think about it, I kind of wouldn't mind taking a sneak peek at the pages. So you know what? We're gonna do it. Let's do it. There goes my resolve. I can always put it back in the packaging anyway. All right, here we go. I already got it started because this packaging is just really loud. There we go. Rhinestones on there. Oh my gosh, I love that. Let's see, that's so neat. And then it has a little iridescent Walt and Mickey. Very, very cool. And the little shimmery bookmark. I'm really glad that I decided to open this up. What a cool find. I think this was actually one of the very first things that I bought. These were the first two things that I got. This Mickey and Minnie pin. I couldn't resist, so I picked up these two things, and they are not disappointing. So I'm sure you guys noticed that I have two of the exact same pins, and I'm going to explain that to you. I have two of these Mickey and Minnie pins, and the reason I did that is because I don't know, maybe one day these things will be worth something, and even if they're not, you know, another 25 years when it's the 75th anniversary, or in another 50 years when it's the 100-year anniversary, it's something I would like to hold on to on the off chance I can make a quick buck in case I'm struggling in the future, or say I go in another 25 years and I make it to the 75th anniversary. Maybe if I'm even alive for the 100-year anniversary, get back for that, and then I can show how I had been there. Not for the first 25 years. I wouldn't even be old enough to have remembered that at that point, but that I was there for the 50th, 75th, and 100th, and then I could have an enamel pin from each one, and then have like maybe a display or a shadow box or something to commemorate those special memories. Anyway, so that's why I got an extra one. It's something small to hold on to, keep in good shape for the future. Which brings me to this, my Minnie Mouse ears. I was kind of disappointed with a lot of their 50-year anniversary ears in the shops. However, this one was a little bit more expensive. One, it's absolutely gorgeous. These are beautiful ears, made very well, but the best part, they light up. How pretty is that? And I know what you're thinking is like, oh, they light up. What happens when the battery dies? Well, I'm very glad that you asked. This comes with a charging port, and in this little black bag, I'll take it out so that you won't call me a liar. It comes with a charging cable. So yes, you pay a little bit more, but it's light up ears. It gives you something to charge it with. Amazing. Now, a small part of me wants to keep these ears very nice and pristine with tags on forever, but the other part of me would like to enjoy them. Last but not least, unlike this book, I've already taken off the wrapping. I saw that they had this calendar and I said, I absolutely need it. Need it. I need it! 50-year anniversary calendar, and I will keep this forever. I like how they have the modern cartoon here, and it starts in September. I think that's really cool. I just opened this today, so I have not even flipped through all of these pictures. Oh my gosh, I love that. January, that's my birthday month! I got a little Donald Duck. Once upon a time, I could do the Donald Duck voice. I almost said Daffy Duck. Just like my stitch impression, those days are long gone. Can't do them anymore. I don't know why, but it's very sad. February. Can't wait to use this. March is goofy. That's really pretty. May. Aw, I love Chip and Dale. I love those little silly chipmunks. Mickey for July. August. That's cool. It has a different park in the center for each of these, it looks like. That's very clever. Minnie Mouse. Aww. Love her dress. Can I get one? Very, very neat. There we go. That is my little calendar. That was another thing when I saw it. I said, I absolutely have to get that. I'm very glad that I did. I am going to put my magnet up on my fridge and I'm going to set this up somewhere downstairs so that I can keep track of the days and people's birthdays, important events like that. But yes, that's what I got. Not everything I got. A lot of other stuff that I got are Christmas presents. I got a decent amount of shopping done for Christmas there, and to not spoil those surprises, I will not be sharing them on this video. Make sure those stay special for the people they're intended for. Now, the challenge is, what is my favorite thing that I picked up? That's tough because I love this sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, what would I pick? The notebook is really cool. I'm excited to use that. The calendar is amazing. But I think I know what my favorite piece of merchandise that I got for me. And that is, drum roll please. This is probably my favorite. I just love that saying so much. I think this is a fact that is so easy to forget and can be hard to keep in mind. It is very true. Beauty is found within. So in the comments below, do you have a favorite thing that I picked up that I shared with you guys today? Also, let me know if you like these shopping haul videos. If you like the hands-on shop with me videos, let me know. I actually do have an upcoming Ulta video / makeup video because I, again, went to Ulta and I spent too much. But luckily I had a gift card. My Aunt Grace gifted me with one and I put it to great use. So I'm gonna try to do a video on that just because I'm really excited with what I picked up. So look forward to that video. Also seemed like you guys like the idea of me doing a Stitch makeup tutorial, costume tutorial thing. So I'll probably get that video out eventually. No promises when, but hopefully soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. But more importantly, don't forget to spread joy this Christmas season so that you can and so that others can stay happy, stay healthy, and stay bright. I hope you guys all enjoyed your Thanksgiving and we'll see each other real soon. Bye guys. Say bye, Milo.